This year at Kiewit has been amazing. I loved the site tours probably the most, but I would say that the sheer connection and community that there is was the best for me personally, because for my future, if I had any questions even through the internship process or what classes to take, I could ask other Kiewit scholars or other mentors in the community, and there was always someone that I could be directed to.
My highlights from the Kiewit Scholars Program have definitely been all the career readiness things, listening to talks about current problems in industry, and really understanding that step that I need to go straight into industry and internships.
Being a part of the Kiewit Scholars Program was a huge help in me ending up getting an internship at Kiewit, which was just one of the best summers of my life. I learned so much, I met so many new people, and I got to apply a lot of what I learned in school into actual real-life engineering. Without being in the Kiewit Scholars Program, I would have had a much harder time getting that internship and having that experience as a whole.
Thank you for everything you do through the Design-Build Scholarship Program. I'm specifically thankful for the mentorship program that's been offered. Being able to connect with a real industry employee has been super beneficial, and I know I will be able to use all the things I've learned in my future career.
My experiences at Kiewit have been very helpful, especially having my mentor, Mario Hansen, show me around and basically show me what an engineer actually does in real life and what kind of software he uses and what kind of work he has.
We went on a couple site visits, and it really helped me develop my understanding for construction and decide that I wanted to go into it. We were talking to the project managers on the site, and they were answering all of our questions and showing us the project and what they do day to day. And it's something we just can't learn in a classroom.
Some of my highlights from the Kiewit Scholars Program has been the workshops. They've been really great. I've also enjoyed the site tours, and I also enjoyed when we went to the Kiewit Training Center in Aurora. That was really cool because we got to do things such as learning how to bend pipes and conduits, as well as learn how to oxy-fuel cut. So it's been a lot of really cool opportunities that I wouldn't have gotten otherwise.
I really enjoyed the career readiness workshop with Matt Morris, along with the resume building workshop, because it really prepared me for the internship fair.
One thing that's also been really beneficial has been speaking with my mentor, Ish. He has been a great resource for me to see what engineering looks like. When he pulled up some site plans and sort of asked me what I thought a solution might be. And I think as engineers, we always really want to solve as many problems as we can. So being able to see a real world problem and discuss it with an engineer at Kiewit was a really interesting and cool experience.
So I've been in the program for 4 years, and I've had a few mentors who have really helped me through my classes, like senior design, and it really gave me confidence to move forward in my career.
It was just nothing that I had before in my 3 years of college, so I'm really appreciative and grateful to have that this year. I'm super excited to be a Kiewit Scholar for next year as well, and I just wanted to say thank you for everything that I got this year. It was just an incredible experience with incredible people.
I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for the scholarship, for all the support they've given me, for all the training information that they've spent on me. It's been very meaningful. I didn't know that a company would put so much effort into me and cared so much about me.
I want to give a big thank you to Kiewit. They've given me so many endless opportunities. I got to meet someone who's doing bridge design in the higher up of Kiewit, and that's what I'm going to be doing this summer, so they've given me lots of great tips. I also got to meet my mentor, who's been extraordinary and also helped me select classes, so Kiewit's just been so great, so I want to give them a big thank you.
I'm just really grateful to Kiewit for being able to see the infrastructure world outside of school and being able to connect with professionals in the field. Thank you.
Thank you, Kiewit, so much. I'm really grateful to be a part of this program and to really be prepared to go into industry and become an engineer.
I'd like to give a huge thank you to Kiewit for not only giving me a huge financial support through my college education, but also teaching me many things like real-life engineering and common business practices. Without Kiewit, I would have had a much harder time getting through my 4 years of college, and I would have learned much less.
Thank you so much, Kiewit, for this opportunity. I have had such a great experience learning real-world engineering, and I'm excited to see where my future takes me.
Thank you so much for the scholarship. It's helped me a ton. I'm also so grateful for the internship this summer, and I'm super excited to be in New York City this summer. I am just in love with the entire program. Thank you so much.
Beep, 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 beep.
Yeah, that's great.